Good morning, Zoya. Open your camera, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning. All of you, open your cameras. Hurry up. Rishabh, Zoya, Vikas. Hurry up and open your camera, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
What is wrong today? I'm not in a mood to join class.
Because, ma'am, there is two links, so I think some student has gone in another link.
Yes, very right. But the ones who are here, they must open their cameras. Why are they not opening their cameras? I'm talking about the ones who have joined my link. Okay, children, we completed our revision test yesterday. We completed the revision worksheet. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we are supposed to now we are supposed to discuss it, isn't it?
Ma'am.
Had we discussed the
No, ma'am. We have not done fill-ups. We have not completed the fill-ups.
Okay, let me share it once again with you.
Ma'am, I have done the fill-ups from WhatsApp.
Yes, you should have completed it. If you could not complete it in that period, you should have completed it later, children. The worksheet was supposed to be finished in those 40 minutes only. Other two sections have also done it.
And fill-ups. And we have done fill-ups, question, answer, all things.
Very nice. Those who have done, very nice.
Tomorrow is holiday.
Why? What is tomorrow?
No, ma'am, because on 16 July, UT1 unit test will be start.
Okay. So you want to ask that if we have preparation leave tomorrow?
Ma'am, so please tell
No, beta, there
tomorrow
is no
will be
holiday.
holiday.
No, beta, it has not been
Okay,
announced yet.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, now here's the screen before all of you.
Ma'am, today we will discuss the answer of revision 2.
Yes, we are going to discuss the answers. And then after it, we are going to do, hurry up and do these fill-ups. Those who could not do it. Pratyaksh, have you done these two?
Ma'am, I could not complete the last one.
Okay. Anyone else?
And so that will be not done fillers, that will be do fillers. We will firstly discuss the answer of question answer.
We will discuss everything, beta. We'll discuss everything. Just wait. Why isn't it opening? Yes. 2 minutes to complete this one. Okay? Those who could not do, just complete it in 2 minutes. And rest of you may write on a new page today's date and revision number 3. Till then, I will mark your attendance. We all have 2 minutes to do our respective work. Mute yourself. Who is it? Mute yourself. Dhruv, beta, mute yourself. Dhruv Singh.
Ma'am, and we have to write date and revision.
Yes, date and again revision number 3.
And ma'am, I have sent also.
Okay, very nice. Arab Solanki, you were present yesterday?
Oh, ma'am, Arasalamki is not present yesterday. Ma'am, I have done my last one.
Okay. Children, you want me to discuss the question answers also, or question answers you can already do it from your copies?
Please discuss.
Okay, we'll discuss.
Next time we will discuss.
All right, all right. How many types of calendars are there? Name them.
Ma'am, there are 2 types of calendar. First, Saka calendar and second, Gregorian calendar.
Very nice. All of you have written this? All of you
Yes,
have written the
ma'am.
same answer? Very good. Then, which calendar is known as the Indian national calendar?
Ma'am, Saka.
The Saka calendar.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
Saka calendar.
It's the Saka calendar that is known as the Indian national calendar. Very nice.
But
Question
ma'am,
number
Ma'am,
Yes.
but I write the Saka calendar is Indian national calendar.
It's the same, beta. The answer is the same. Language is different. Then next question. How many months are there in a Gregorian calendar?
Ma'am, 12
It
months.
is solar calendar.
12.
Ma'am, 12.
And 12 months.
Very nice. Very good. There are
And
12
ma'am,
months.
it is a solar calendar divided into the 12 months.
Very nice. Very good. After how many years does leap year come?
Ma'am, 4 years.
4 years.
4.
Very good. 4
Ma'am,
years.
after many years does leap year come in 4 years?
No, beta. A leap year comes after every 4 years. Write this. A
Yes.
leap year comes after every 4 years.
Ma'am, I have written after every 4 years.
Okay. How many years the Saka calendar starts after the Gregorian calendar? After how many years does the...
Ma'am, 798.
Ma'am, 78.
It starts?
Ma'am, 78.
Okay.
The Saka calendar starts 78 years after the Gregorian calendar.
Very nice. Very nice. That's the correct answer. Okay. Phillips, in Saka calendar, the first month is the month of
Ma'am,
Chaitra.
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 Very nice. It's the month of Chaitra. Dash helps us to arrange events in a dash order.
Timeline has to arrange the chronological order.
Very nice, Tuti. The answer is children. Okay, wait. Timelines help us to arrange the events in a chronological order. Write it down if you have not written the answer. Timelines.
Ma'am, what is the first answer of Phillips?
First is Chaitra. The Saka
Yes, ma'am,
calendar.
I am right, correct.
In
Ma'am, after
sorry,
timeline, what will become in next dash?
next
Ma'am,
dash
AD.
in a chronological order. In a chronological order. Timelines help us to arrange the events in a chronological order.
It helps to arrange the events in a chronological order.
Very good.
And then third is the year after the birth of Jesus Christ is written as AD.
AD. Very good.
ma'am, I have written Anno Domini.
No,
That's
ma'am,
also
AD will
correct.
become.
Beta, both are correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Then fourth one.
The years
Dash
after
replaced the name Anno Domini. What replaced the name Anno Domini?
Ma'am, AD.
No. AD is Anno Domini.
Ma'am, Common Era.
Very good. Very nice. The answer is Common Era. CE. CE replaced the name Anno Domini.
Ma'am, what is third answer?
Third is
Third answer is AD.
AD. The fifth
Ma'am, I
one.
speak again.
The fifth one now. The Gregorian calendar was first used in
Europe.
Europe.
Ma'am, March.
No, beta. Where was the Gregorian calendar first used?
Europe.
It was used in Europe.
Ma'am, please tell the spelling of Europe.
EUROPE. EUROPE.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, EU and rope.
Rope. Very
Europe.
nice. Now everyone has done this?
Ma'am, I
Let's-
speak again answers.
No, beta, once it's done. Which answer
Ma'am.
you want to speak?
Ma'am, what will be the answer of fifth?
Europe. Fifth
Okay,
fill in the...
ma'am.
Yes. The Gregorian calendar was first used in Europe. Okay, now...
Ma'am, we will do this revision worksheet also today.
Yes. Now you will do this
Okay,
one.
ma'am.
This
Ma'am,
is
please do,
from
ma'am.
chapter 3.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, beta, drink.
Ma'am, only we have right answers.
No, beta, you have to write full sentences.
Ma'am, senior talking.
What?
Ma'am, the screen is not coming. Ma'am, I have done.
Beta, tell me the screen is not coming, children. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Pratyaksh,
Yes,
beta,
ma'am.
rejoin, beta. You can leave the
Ma'am, I
meeting
have
and rejoin. Maybe then it will appear. Zoya, you are saying you have done. Beta, have you not written full sentences?
Yes, ma'am.
You are supposed to write full sentences.
No, ma'am, I'm saying I have written all this.
Okay, I'll scroll down.
Ma'am, please scroll up for a 1 minute. Ma'am, confused on first question. Ma'am, I am confused on first fill up.
Now, beta, you can see first fill up also and question number 2 and 3 also.
Yes, ma'am, I have done all fill ups, but I should not understand first fill up. India is a dash country.
Beta, we'll discuss all the answers later. If you don't know, just leave it.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have written on in fill-ups all full answers.
Very
That
nice.
will
Very
be
good.
answer comes.
You have to write full sentences.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am, I am on the question answer, so please scroll up.
Okay. Now, children, which exam do you have on 16th?
Ma'am,
GK. Ma'am, GK.
GK.
Okay.
And ma'am, then reasoning.
All right. All prepared, all set to give your exams?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice.
Ma'am, please tell the spelling of responsibility.
RESPONSIBILITY. Responsibility.
Ma'am, please tell the spelling of responsibility. Because ma'am, your mic is mute.
Spelling of what?
Ma'am, responsibility.
Beta, I told now. RESPONSI. Written this much.
Okay.
RESPONSIBILITY. I think I spoke at that time and I was on mute. I didn't realize.
So, ma'am, thank you. Ma'am, please check.
Can I change the screen, children?
No, ma'am. Oh, ma'am.
Okay, those who want to see the next question, better just have a look at the next question so that even your work does not get stopped in between. One last question. Write any 3 responsibilities of a good citizen. Of an Indian citizen, sorry.
Ma'am, we have practiced the third one. The answers.
What?
Ma'am, we have till 10 minutes so we can discuss the answers.
No, beta,
after
let
this.
everybody write first. You have done, others are still doing it.
No, ma'am, after doing this, ma'am.
Yes, if we left with time, if we will have time, we will discuss the answers.
Ma'am, please show the third one.
Okay. Wait, children, wait. Children, done it? Completed the
Yes,
worksheet?
ma'am.
All of you?
I am on 4th.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have not done fifth question.
So I think we'll have to discuss it tomorrow only. We won't get time to discuss the worksheet today.
Time is not yet over, so we will discuss the answer. I
Only
have
4
done.
minutes are left. Only 4 minutes are left.
So we will
No problem. We'll
the
discuss it
answer of
tomorrow.
Okay.
But tomorrow you have your exam, right?
No, ma'am, Friday.
Friday, okay. Tomorrow we don't have a class also. Thursday we don't have any class. And from
And
Friday your
tomorrow
exams
be
will
not-
start.
And tomorrow is holiday.
No, beta, tomorrow, Thursday you don't have a class with me. You have your PD lecture.
We will take only PD lecture.
Beta, I'm talking about
Ma'am,
the
please.
first period. See, I'm talking about
I
the
mean-
first period. That is your PD lecture, not your SST lecture. Thursday there is no class with me.
I'm in exam. There will be not classes, or there will be classes after
There will be classes. There will be classes. Your exam will take place only in the first two periods. From 7:30 till 8:50.
And ma'am, after that, normal classes will start.
Yes, your regular classes will take place.
Ma'am, an exam or a UT test?
With a UT test that is starting from Friday. Okay, children, I'll tell you the answer of the first one is India is a dash country. India is a democratic country. You might not know the answer of this one, so I'm telling you, India is a democratic country. Okay?
Please tell the spelling of democratic.
DEMOCRA. Again, DEMOCRATIC. Democratic.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, please once more.
DEMO. Demo. CRA. Cratic. TIC. Democratic.
Ma'am, please tell the answer of fifth. Fill up.
Every voter has a special identity called, it should be every voter has a special identity card called voter ID card.
Ma'am, can you send this worksheet on WhatsApp group?
Yes, beta, I'll send it there.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. I'll start the meeting with you. Okay, class 4B students.